Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 18 here. We have a NASCAR Authentic from the 2021 Wave 3 Chris Buescher's 2021 Roush Fenway car, number 17 Fastenal car. On the back are more cars you can get, and let's get them out of the box. So here's a sticker, and here is Chris Buescher. Now, Chris Buescher drives the number 17 Fastenal car since 2020, where he first started when he returned back to Roush Fenway. So Chris Buescher is sponsored by Fastenal, and obviously Fastenal has the blue with black, and the back bumper is black and some white on the front, and he drives the Ford Mustang number 17. And his design is a new version compared to the 2020 version, which was actually Ricky Stenhouse's junior car, which they switched drivers since Ricky Stenhouse Jr. went to JT Daugherty Racing. Now there is his sticker. It says Fastenal, his name, and number 17. Let's give you a 360 look. And that's about it. Well guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more will be out soon. Thanks for watching.